Alright folks, Benjamin here. I found one of these today. It was in a headed for the junk pile. It is a fan from a HP. A fan from an HP server of some kind. Things are about $25. You can find them used. But I decided to take this thing apart. I was looking at the pins, went on the internet to see if I couldn't find the pin out. No such luck. Whatever, that's fine. But when I took it apart, much to my surprise, there was a couple things. First thing, this motor extends from here to here. It's, what is that, almost 3 inches long? The other thing was, there's 3 wires coming off this motor. Now, in the RC world, those colors might be familiar, I don't know. But I was like, you know what? That's a brushless motor, and I recognize some of the components in there. They're actually diodes, is what they are. Well, they might be diodes. They might not be. No, those are probably some kind of hex FETs. Anyway, so let me see. Brushless motor, something that resembles a turbine, and this blade right here is aluminum. It's not plastic. Anyway, a cheap Turnigy plush 25-30 amp power supply, ESC and BEC for the receiver there. That's my test transmitter. So I'm not going to be able to get this thing to full blast, but just watch this. This thing is crazy. And this is from a server. That's maybe 35% throttle. Watch the wires on this thing. That's a hair more than half throttle. Yeah. I'm not doing that. This thing, some serious freaking thrust. So, there's about 5 more of these things, and like I said, you can buy the server modules for these things. Here, I'll even give you the model number so you can find it. If you're getting into electric duct fans and you seem to be destroying them or something. I've never fooled around with duct fans, but that might be my inexpensive entrance. I don't know. But it's generic part number 486-206-001, but if you just type that in, or vendor number T35696-HP. So, yeah, that is absolutely amazing. And I've only went up to full throttle once, and I have to hold this thing going into full throttle. Now, granted, there's no wheels. There's no slippery surface, and let's see here. I'm kind of nervous because I don't want to chop my finger off. Yeah. Alright, so let's just see here. You get a demonstration. Hang on a minute. So, you can hear just exactly how much it's getting. How in the hell can I do this? Alright, whatever. So, this is full throttle. Alright, so those of you that want to get in cheap duct fans, I don't know how much Newton meters it is, how many pounds of force it is, but that is pretty cool. Now, the caveat to this, obviously electric duct fans, they suck down energy. They love exchanging electrons for mechanical energy. But that thing on the outside of the box is rated for 12 volts at 16.5 amps. So maybe that's what their circuit, I don't know, like I said, just using a cheap 600 hertz BEC. How interesting.